Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangles exercise 6.38 sum. Let's see the question. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Let me draw a parallelogram ABCD. Most of them have a confusion in the diagram they have given. E is a point on the side AD. If you read till here, you will mark immediately a point E on the side CD. It is AD. It is not the point on AD. Now read the question carefully. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABC. Produced side of AD. So E is not on AD, E is on a side of produced AD. If you extend the line, your E will be on somewhere on the top. Now BE, now BE intersect, join BE. If you join BE intersect at CD. Now see, it intersects at CD on F. So this will be your diagram. E is a point on AD, extended on, it is on produced of AD, and F is nothing but the intersection of BE and CD is your F. So we have marked F. We need to show the triangle ABE. ABE is this full triangle. This is similar to this smaller one. Now the bigger triangle is similar to the smaller one, and the main point here it is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Seeing ABCD is a parallelogram, in your mind every properties of parallelogram should run. So now we know that taking these two triangles, we know that the opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. So we know that in the bigger triangle and in the smaller triangle, angle A is equal to angle C because the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So let me write the given one. The given, that is ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove this, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So given I have written, prove I have written. We'll start with the proof. As I told before, angle A is equal to angle C because of opposite sides of a parallelogram. They are equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now the second point, taking these two triangles, immediately you can't say these two are vertically opposite angles because we are taking a triangle ABE, which is a bigger one. We don't have an intersecting line in it. So we want a triangle of ABE as well as triangle ACF. In F we have this angle, but in ABE triangle we don't have this angle. So we need to think of another one. Here we know that these two lines are parallel because it is a parallelogram, the extension of parallelogram, so it will be equal, the lines will be parallel. So AE is parallel to BC. Therefore this angle is equal to this angle because it is in Z shape in between the two parallel lines. So they are alternate interior angles, so they are equal. Angle E is equal to angle FBC because of alternate interior angles. These are alternate interior angles. They are in between two parallel lines of Z shape, so they are equal. We can say by 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we can say the two triangles are similar. We have proved that two triangles are similar with the property of AA similarity criterion because we have proved two angles to be similar in the two triangles. So they are similar by AA criterion. That's all with the sum. Thank you.